If you see an electric car charger like this, which is BYO, your own Type 2 cable, your car will be able to charge at it in quite different speed levels depending on the car specifications. For example,
Please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism.
on this Kia EV5 Air Long Range and Earth and GT line, the Type 2 cable AC charging rate is 11 kilowatts. If you get the cheapest base model EV5 Air standard range, it's only 6.6 kilowatts. So that's a big charging speed difference. 11 for this, 6.6 for the base model. Okay, but what about other brands? So, what about other brands? Like I said, this BYD Seal can charge at 7 kilowatts charge rate, regardless of the base model or the most premium one. And other cars mostly are about 6.6, 7, or 11. Check the specifications of the electric car you're interested in to see what its AC charging rate is. Generally, if it says single phase, it'll be about 6.6 to 7. If it says three phase, it'll be 11. And very rarely, like the smart cars, a few of the smart hashtag EVs sold in Australia can be charged at 22 kilowatts. Have a look at my video showing how amazingly fast that is. Anyway, I hope that's useful for you. It's really important to check when buying an EV how fast you can AC charge your car on a BYO cable charger like this one.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.